Hello Internet, welcome to the future. We got a couple of four-wheelers here, and by the miracle of hard work and parts, ta-da! Not only does this start, but it's in park. I know that sounds like something really trivial and something that you should just expect, but we can do all the gears. We got low, high, neutral, reverse, park. It all works. And this cost $0. And when you turn on the lights work. And even this headlight works. That didn't work before. Outside of that, we've got storage. And this sits two people instead of one. So you may ask, how did this miracle happen? No, you're probably like, whatever, that's common. But I bought this for $800. It had all kinds of problems with it. This was all cracked up. The brakes were a mess, and the tires were not nice tires like this, and they had been stuck on for years and years. So follow me, and we're going to get this thing fixed up into this state to where it's useful again.